Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to redeem Brawl Star codes. Even though Brawl Stars was released under harsh competition with Clash of Clans and Clash Royale, it already overcame its predecessors in raw popularity. The game that had no hope from the start became one of the most popular titles in the world, attracting millions of players monthly. In the first step, open Brawl Stars. Once in the game, head to the shop menu located at the left part of the screen. Inside the shop menu, scroll right until you see the Content Creator Boost window. After that, press the green button to enter the code. Then insert the code into the appeared text box and confirm it. Consider that creator code is not permanent. You can quickly redeem it repeatedly and change the supported content creator if needed. Once you know how to redeem Brawl Stars creator codes, you need to learn all the active codes. The list is pretty extensive, such as Akari and Alvaro 845. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.